Hey guys, Rick here. Today I'm going to be taking this system off my head and showing you kind of the process of what I go through to accomplish that. Again, that's no big deal, but as with all of this, none of these steps are rocket science, but you do need to know exactly what to do. You need someone to say this, step 1, 2, 3, 4 to make it easier for you. And so I was one that just took off without any previous instruction, and so it was the school of hard knocks. I made mistakes and I did things wrong, I messed things up. So these videos are just to help you get there without doing all that. Learn from my mistakes because it makes it a whole lot easier. So this system has been on for a few days and I'm just, yeah, it's okay. So testimonial to, is this going to stay on my head? Because it's going to take some solvent to get this off. So what you want to do is just kind of pull around on the edges very gently, and I usually just work my finger under it and just get a little spot. Okay, so I found kind of a spot that was kind of loose on the back. I took the solvent and sprayed it a bit back there, and usually I let it sit there just for a minute so it dissolves the bond. And then very carefully, depending on how loose it is, like this has been on a few days, so it's pretty loose. And so just very gently pull that, very gently, very slowly, and come around. Now there are occasions that I might have gotten a little of my natural hair in with the unit, so that glue is kind of stuck with my natural hair, and that was kind of an issue right over here on this side. So again, I took my finger in there and I just pulled some of that natural hair out of it, and yeah, sometimes that hurts. Anyway, it works, and so it's about off my head. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? I'm not sure I am. Hold on. Boom, done. Oh, jeez. Okay, so now there's options here. Super important that you clean your head, the top of your head. You've got to get all this mess off. So I've got some tea tree oil pre-shampoo scalp scrub. Makes a big difference to get all of this bond off. Now you don't want to go too crazy here because the last thing you want to do is to irritate your scalp to the point that your scalp's irritated. So you want to go easy on this and just gently rub that, and you'll see all of that glue starts to come off. Get it all out of the hair. So I've got the scrub loosening the bond that's on my head. So it's time to hit the shower and clean this up, and we will be good to go, ready for the install.